How to find lock screen password settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find lock screen password settings on Android phone. First, in open settings and then just click search here and type password, and here we'll find it, first one. And as you see here, you can find the password settings. You can disable it, you can disable your lock screen password and you can change it. Just click here and type your password and then just type new password, and that's it. It's easy, and you can change the method here. And that's how to find the lock screen password settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.